Okay, should we stop?
It's so far away. It's so far away.
No pedestrians.
No pedestrians. We are the pedestrians.
Okay. Any cars? Oh, there's a bus. Let's
it's
wait.
good thing we looked. What if we were hit by it just
Right.
now?
This is why you look both ways, ruffians.
Oh, you better remember, okay?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, now it's time to go. Okay.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Wow, drivers nowadays.
Right. Gosh.
Wow.
I should kick your car. Take that. Take that. Hey, rude.
I only came to buy dinner. Oh, look at him. He's so
Only
welcoming.
dinner, no ice cream.
Well,
No
dinner.
ice cream.
The definition of
Oh,
dinner isn't
we
really
need-
that well defined.
We need more than one dinner.
Oh, that's kind of sad. What about the ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Oh,
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
what's going on with the magazines?
Oh, we got a bunch of...
Ah!
Oh, she's cute too. She has glasses.
Cat.
I think it's time we get a lot of magazines. I see somebody else that's very cute too. Oh, whoa!
Hi.
Oh, you're interested in that one too.
Oh yeah, she's cute.
Let us know what you think. What do you like? What is your opinions on it? What? What are you laughing at?
It's so suspicious. Look at.
Is he looking at the
over at
magazine or us? Maybe we can just kind of look over the shoulder.
If I could choose one, I would like the cat magazine.
No, I think I would like that one.
Hi.